Oakville is considered one of the best places to live, but Bronte has to be one of the best communities inside of Oakville. And luckily for you, there's a perfectly sized townhouse just waiting for you to fall in love. 61 Sarah Lane is a small enclave of well-managed townhouses that offers private backyard space along with open green lawns in the common areas. With underground parking and surface parking options, you'll be able to host friends and family in this incredibly walkable community. When you come inside, you're greeted by the front hall with closet space and a powder room. The kitchen at the front of the home comes with all of the appliances included and features a bonus pantry to add even more storage. The living room and dining room combo creates a wonderful space to spend time together, and with the large patio doors to the fenced backyard with deck, you can enjoy the natural light pouring in. Upstairs, the 3 bedrooms offer space to unwind and relax, while the extra long primary provides versatility in how you utilize the space. The full bathroom plus linen closet finishes off the second floor layout. Heading to the basement, you'll find the finished rec room with window for natural light, a large laundry room with additional storage space, and direct access to your underground parking. 61 Sarah Lane is situated in the middle of the key amenities Bronte has to offer. We are talking a short stroll to Lake Ontario via the side streets in the Enclave, or head east along Lakeshore to enjoy everything Coronation Park has to offer, including one of the best playgrounds and splash pads in Oakville. If you're looking for amazing restaurants and shopping, Bronte Village is about the same distance to the west. This also means you're close to Bronte Heritage Waterfront Park, with Bronte Harbor offering slips for boaters, and Bronte Beach with its protected shoreline and sandy dunes. You're walking distance to Farm Boy for groceries, and if you're looking for a pool instead of the lake, you've got Bronte Athletic Park on the north side of Lakeshore all summer long. Honestly, there's so much to love about living in Bronte, and the lifestyle here is incredibly unique, so don't miss your chance to see this beautiful townhouse in the heart of what makes Bronte so amazing. If you have any questions or would like to take a tour, let's connect.